Hi guys, welcome back to my another review. Today review, this is my new item, HIFI based power amp. So this power amp use the stereo line. So what the new upgraded this HIFI power amp have a mic here, mic function here, so you can karaoke this system. So this is a simple installation because have a direct current 240, or you can select 12 volt until 24 volt. So at the upside is also, look at this is dangerous, have a electrical line here, do not touch at the front. So here goes to the bass speaker, and then here goes to your Twitter speaker. Very nice and very good. So have a also this remote control, so have a line in, FM turner, and then a Bluetooth mode. So how about the sound? So let's try. I want to try listen this music. Please use your earphone to better sound. This is a volume. Okay, that's all guys. Thank you very much to listening and see my review. This is a HIFI based power amp, Bluetooth function. So have a mic here, you can put your mic, and I want to use this mic for my guitar. So I very recommended you to buy this and then install at your bass speaker. Thank you very much guys. See you next for my another review. See you next. Bye bye.